you. Hey guys, long time no see. I mean, I don't even know if I have to tell you what this video is about because of Ixnay on the Ixnay. Because of this, what's going on. My birthday's coming up, and I was like, oh, I want to do something different. My hair is looking really nice. I want to dye it. And there was like this way that I always wanted to dye it. So I'm gonna show a picture of like the example that I wanted. Okay, so you guys should have seen the picture. That's what I wanted, right? It's like a nice transition. It's like different types of blonde. Like it's a whole nice, and it's like all big and stuff, right? Because my hair was long. My hair, I had cut it and I left it like leave it alone, and my hair got up to like here. I don't know if y'all can see like here, and now my hair is up to here. Yep. Look at this difference. Okay, that's like 2-3 inches worth of hair. Um, so obviously this, I don't know if y'all can feel the vibe, but this is obviously not what I wanted. I went to a professional hair salon for like curly hair. And I showed the stylist like the picture that I wanted, and she was like, oh, it might not look that way, but you know, it'll be okay. And then I was like, okay. And then she asked me, it's like, oh, so about the cut, like, how do you want the cut? You want like to keep the length? I was like, yes, I want to keep the length. Like, I don't want, like, just shape it a little bit. But look where we are now, and this is obviously not what I wanted. So I don't know. I'm just making this video so you guys can like be hip to what happened. So when you guys see future videos, you guys will see this. I really just, it's so short now. Like all this time I took to grow out my hair is now gone. The color, I just don't like the color, and there's no like transition between the black and this color. It's just bop bop, you know. It's something that I definitely need to get used to. I don't want to do anything else to my hair. I don't want to dye it over again because I don't want to ruin my curls, because doing this already is a struggle for my curls. So if you guys are planning to get your hair dyed in any type of way, maybe don't go full out or something. I don't know. Or make sure that person, the stylist, knows the result, because the stylist was like, oh, well, we don't really know how it's going to come out. And that scared me, but I was like, well, I'm here. I don't want to stop the process. And here I am now. So now I just I'm trying to find new ways to style it and stuff like that I'll like, and just leave it alone so it can grow. Maybe it'll look better when it grows. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think about this? About this, my friends try to tell me like, it's okay, it looks nice, I like the color, blah, blah, blah. But I know they're just trying to make me feel better. I obviously cried, I sobbed. But you know, I can't really do anything about that now, and just let it be. But yeah, I know it's a short video, but I just wanted to let you guys know. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment below what type of videos you guys would like to see. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends. I'm gonna say that very hesitantly. Share with your friends. Just get them hip about it. Like, if you go to a salon, really just make sure this person that's doing your hair knows what you want, so you can both be happy. But yeah, okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna videotape me doing this right here.
Okay. Snap with me now. Snap with me now.
You forgave me, gave me another chance
I got to keep on moving, though y'all want me to be losing. I'ma hold my head and keep on cruising, because I got too much pride. And if you're down with me, you can come for the ride. Just look in my eyes, you know I'm the boy wonder. Still on my grind, even in lightning and thunder. And I know it's shocking to some people, but I ride in the desert with the eagle. Just wanna spread my wings and fly up in the sunset. I hope none of my people get upset, but just try to understand that I'm a man. I got to be free, that's just the way I am. But if you see me going on, it's just a part of the plan. I was living dirty until I washed my hands. I felt the sting in my guts. I just been running the muck in the pond like a duck. I missed the flight before winter.